In this video, I want to teach you how to publish the first game you created in Roblox so that everyone can play your game. For example, I made this simple game where a cube responds randomly, and if the player doesn't jump on it within a few seconds, they lose. I created this simple game using this script. I'll put it in the description so you can easily use it. To publish our game, just click on the File menu and then select Publish to Roblox. It's publishing now. You can check the progress from this section. After it's published, just open your browser and search for create.roblox.com. Then go to the Creations tab. We hover the mouse over the game we want, click on the More icon here, and then select Open in New tab. Here we go to the Settings tab. From this section, we can choose the name of the game. From this section, we can choose the game's thumbnail. I'll leave it as the default for now. From this section, we can write the description and choose our game's genre. From this section, we can also publish our game as public. And finally, just click on Save Changes to save the updates. Go back to the Creations tab, click the More icon on your game, and select View on Roblox. Just like that, your first game is published. To let others play it, simply share the link to your game. I add this game to my favorites. Now we open Roblox. I go to my profile and click on the View Full Profile button from here. From this section, you and others can see the game you created. This section gives you an overview of the game you created. I click on Play. Just like that, you can publish your games. I hope you enjoyed this video. For support, make sure to subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.